Well, it is the day after Thanksgiving here. Really good weather for pheasant hunting here today. We've got upper 30s right now. I think it's supposed to climb into maybe the mid 40s for a high. We've got a decent little breeze, so should be pretty good for us to get on some birds. It's still really dry down here. We haven't had rain now for probably a couple of weeks, which makes it tough, obviously, for the dog getting a ton of ground scent, but either way, it's good to have somewhat of a breeze. It'll help cover our noise a little bit and should hopefully be able to get on these birds a little bit tighter than when we were out last time. So, got about 15 minutes to get to the spot here. Get Junior out, let him stretch the legs a little bit, and then we'll get after it and see if we can get on a couple birds. Get him? Good boy. No bird here. Gosh, good boy. Good work, buddy. It's a great point. Good job. That's how you want it to work. We finished up walking that first strip with the wind in our face. We hooked around to this portion right here to start this second strip going that way. I stayed on the upwind side because it looked like some pretty good cover. Junior was on the downwind side. I was just getting ready to push into it. Stop, bud. And not sure if you'll be able to see him in the video or not, but he locked up hard. I started the walk in, one hen flushed, and then the rooster flushed up to the north. Whiffed him on that first shot and then took my time on the second. We knocked him down. So young bird, definitely was a catch from this past spring. But either way, that's one in the bag, and we just got started here. So I know he's still ready to keep after him, so that's what we're gonna do. Dead bird! Dead bird! Fetch him up. Good boy, heel. 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 Drop. Good boy, we got one more. We got one over here. Dead bird. Dead bird. Here, bud. Junior. Junior, heel. Heel. Dead bird. Dead bird. Good boy. Heel. Drop. Good boy. Whoa. Good boy. Here. No bird. Heel. Heel. Good boy. Good boy. That's good work, bud. Yeah, that's a good boy. Great work by Junior today. 4 solid points. Ended up with 3 birds and, like I said, just probably right at an hour of hunting, so can't complain about that. Ended up with the 1 rooster and 2 quail. We only hunted for about an hour total. It's a little after noon here. I'm gonna head back, shower real quick, and then jump in the deer stand and see if I can shoot a couple does tonight. So thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you here next time. Good boy. That's good work today, bud. Yeah, that's good work.